Would you like to sip a cup of tea? Then join me. I will show you a tour in the tea factory in Ooty, which is located just below the Doddabetta. What we witnessed now was a Britannia machine which is used to extract tea leaves. It's bigger in size. Later, it has been reduced to smaller machines with the help of rotor vanes. While walking into the tea factory, you can see a lot of pictures like legends of tea, legendary garden of tea, how tea came to China, then how the tea came to India, the famous Boston Tea Party incident, and all of this they have written in these pictures. You can watch them as you can freeze the video. So after studying all these details, we enter into the tea factory. The tea factory explains each and every process with the help of a guide, and he tells how from the plucking of tea leaves, the drying process, the separation process, and the final process it grinds and comes as a tea leaves and tea dust. He explains clearly, and you can also watch in this video in step by step manner. So after filtering of the leaves, you can see in below it is placed in the conveyor. So in the conveyor, all the plucked leaves done by the manual people, laborers, are fed into the machine. So where these leaves are cleanly dried and segregated and separated with the help of each motor unit, it is going in a conveyor. So you can see now here it is the leaves are getting completely dried by the electric heater furnace. After which the selected grade of tea is obtained in different stages. It is moved for different sections where it has been collected in several packages. While selecting the tea, the topmost small leaves of the tea is having the higher quality preference. After which the second grade and third grades are utilized, and finally the dust is also marketed. You can see in this machine where it blinks green light for every few seconds is the amount of quantity which is filled inside the bags, and after the sensor it trims and cuts and it seals into the packets. So for each blink a packet is produced. So it gives the final product directly to our hands, which reduces the labor. So this is the machining process happening in the entire tea. So after you come out, they will serve you a cup of tea for free. You can choose which tea you want, either chocolate or normal, and you have a viewpoint. From here, a beautiful picture is seen, can be seen. Very beautiful thing to see. Here there are certain activities you can do. You can do the zip lining, everything, etc. That is for separate price, which is located into the next to the tea factory building. And also next to the tea factory, chocolate factory is also there. So don't forget to visit the chocolate factory. And furthermore, you can have the pony rides. The small horses you can see are settled down. So you can take the ride over there and you have a good time. So if you come to Ooty, don't forget to visit the both tea and chocolate factory and have a nice time. And kindly give your golden comments below. So these are the horses, you can have the rides. At the top misty part what you see is actually the Doddabetta, the highest point of Tamil Nadu.